Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the analytics, your website analytics, and how you can use it to understand your website performance in a high level view, right? So I think the analytics part are quite straightforward and self-explanatory. Okay, so the overview here show you the total section, page view, pages per sections, average section duration, and average bounce rate. And you can always share these analytics with your teams using the share link feature here and export this uh, performance data to CSV, or you can also view the uh, analytics by different chart types, right? So another thing about analytics is that you can also like the overview gives you high level views, and if you want to like deep dive into the individual visitors, you can click on the visitors tab here, and then it will show you all the visitors that have visited your website, and then you can view the section recording as well as see the visitor profile and all the actions that they do on your website, right? And then for these live visitors, right, if you have any live visitors, you can also click on this and it will show you the list of visitors who are currently browsing your website, navigating your website right now. So you can see the live section recordings on your website. And this is particularly helpful when you have like updated something on your website. You want to see the real-time reactions of your visitors to your new changes or design. Okay. So that is the overview, visitors and live visitors tab. And then down here, the it's very pretty straightforward. The top sources of your coming to your website. You can also look at the source, campaign, medium, and term, as well as the popular pages on your page. And you can look at the entry page and then the highest asset page, right? And then the locations, and then locations by city, technologies by browser, device, and size, right? And if you want to like deep dive into individual sources, pages, locations, you can just click on this, and then it will automatically apply the filters, and then it will show you like, for example, most of your US visitors actually coming from Google, and then the popular pages that they browse are our main page, and then this blog article. Yes, so this blog article is very popular among our United States audience, and then the device, they mostly use a desktop device to access our website, right? So that is pretty much about the analytics. Yes, so I guess that is all for this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.